How to remove music on Instagram post 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to quickly remove music on your Instagram post. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our Instagram. Now, as you can see over here, I have this post and I want to delete the music off of it. So to delete the music, what I'm going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and first of all, edit the post. Now, once you go over to edit post, what you can do is right over here when you've added, the main music or where you've added the main media, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on delete over here and you're going to delete the media out of it. And then once you re-archive it, what's going to happen from there is the post is going to come back up, but the music on the post is going to be deleted. So that is how you're going to remove music on Instagram post in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.